I'm Alex. We are doing a documentary for our school about the birds at the park. We're near the beginning of the forest. Yeah,
I'm Evelyn.
this is the group project for science, right?
Yeah, it's science.
Yeah.
Let's go.
That's it.
There's a lot of type of birds in these forests, including like blue jays and like blue jays and robins and crows, other birds like that. But there are like a couple of different birds in this forest that we are going to talk about too.
Yeah. Also, I'm the cameraman. Ah.
Yeah, Alex is the cameraman.
Okay, so we're a little bit from the start of the trail. I think we're not quite at the middle, but we're nearing. We can hear some birds.
There's not a lot of birds out here, but it's like
kind of quiet.
Yeah, it's enough birds to say. There is one type of bird that's like weird. I was gonna say wonky. Kind of weird. Remember what Katie said?
Oh yeah, Katie. Okay. It's gonna be a part of the project, probably. Mm-hmm. So, in this forest, there's this rumor that these two friends, they kill each other every year on May 25th.
Man, that's my birthday.
Yeah.
Sucks to be me then.
But there's also been like weird animals, and honestly I don't think it's anything, but there was this one sound. We don't really know what it is, so if anybody can like let us know, we'll put a little sound recording
thing,
of it. But it was kind of like everything was normal and then kind of went a little quieter, and it was like kind of it was almost like a siren, but not quite.
Sorry.
What was that?
I thought I saw something.
I got you.
Don't do that, man. It's already enough that we had to come out here to do this anyways.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's check you. I'll tell you next time.
There's some birds in the trees. We hear them.
Right there. Low ground.
You're right there. Look at the bird. Cute. Okay, let's continue on the trail. This area looks kind of creepy. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, look, that's another trail. Want me to take that way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, this is the way I took for the bus.
Oh, yeah. You showed me this way, I remember now.
Not clean.
It's very not clean. What?
Can't really tell what it says.
It says something about a dog.
Yeah.
Someone's dog. Oh boy. Got very quiet all of a sudden.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, one.
Oh, what's up?
It's behind you. I'm kinda scared.
Yeah. I'm sure someone's dog. way. Let's go left.
Um,
I just said let's go
oh,
left because there's
birds.
and lots.
That log's new. It must be. I don't know.
We don't get beavers over here though. There's no water.
I don't know. Maybe somebody cut it down or something. I don't know. It's weird.
Not look like. Hold on, look at this.
Yeah. I don't even know where that came from because it was. Oh, probably that.
Makes sense. There's like bees over here. What's that?
That bird kind of looks weird.
Big, big bird.
Wait. You see it?
Right there. It's like a big bird.
It's kind of hard to see
I can see it.
in the camera.
Yeah.
It looks weird. I don't know. We'll look in the handbook. We'll start recording again once we figure out what it is. Okay. So we looked it up, kind of. We got our little handbook thing we got from the teacher.
Yeah.
Couldn't see anything, so I'm like fingers crossed. We found a new species because that would be cool. But what? Is there again?
No,
Wait.
it's that top one up there.
Okay.
I saw it and then flew away.
I don't know. I hope we got it though.
Face looks weird though.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe it's like something.
Should we call this bird something for now until we figure out what it is, or
Yeah, because maybe this can be like.
new species?
Yeah, maybe this can be the whole documentary. Trying to
About-
figure out what it is.
Yeah, that's a good idea. What
Okay.
kind of what should we call it?
It almost looked like human, you know?
Human face.
Yeah, like
Call that for now. The HF. I don't know.
just
The HFB.
maybe we can just call it the bird for now.
I should call it the bird.
Or that bird.
That bird.
I don't know. Every time it shows up, it gets quiet. Maybe it's
Yeah,
like
it's-
a top predator or something.
Probably it has to be it. That's weird.
I don't know.
The birds are like out now.
Yeah, they're back,
It's quiet.
and that's gone. That bird is gone. I don't know. We'll have to ask Miss Anderson about it.
Yeah.
I don't know. How do we get lunch? I'm hungry.
Yeah. Let's go get lunch.
Check back later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.